Hey Chad, this is Brian with Mr.Edge Digital Marketing. Um, Spoke Friday. This is the video I'm going to show you. I'm going to go about this video a little bit differently because your website's a little bit different than the other websites that I work with. Your website is actually pretty good. I found it because I went to Google and I typed in heating and air, Asheville, North Carolina, and I think you came up on like page 3. So that's why I chose you. And I see that you service Asheville, North Carolina area. But when I typed in heating and air for Rutherford, here you are right here at the top of the map pack, which is a great place to be. And you also have the number one spot right here, so you already know how much traffic that you're getting from Rutherford. Now I can get you ranked over here in Asheville. I can get you that number one spot right here in the map pack, and I can also get you this number one spot right here. I can get you mics. So when I plugged in your website, this is a tool I use. It's called Airs. So Airs pretty much it helps me to audit your website and lets me know what's wrong with it. And this right here, your DR score and your UR score, is really low compared to other sites. I'm going to show you Mike's score right here in just a second. But an important thing as far as this right here, your DR score, this is how much trust that Google has in your backlinks. So with that being said, not all backlinks are created equal. Like you're a heat and air company, so you don't want a backlink. You don't want pizzahut.com to have a backlink to Rutherford Heating and Air because you don't make pizzas. You do air conditioning. So when I go in here, I can go in here and look at the backlinks. So when I go in here and look at your backlinks, most of your backlinks are going to directories. Now, the directories are good as far as getting you your citations go. That's what helps get you ranked in the map pack, but we're trying to get you ranked on Google. We want you in that number one spot on Google. I can come in here and I can take your these directories out and start putting actual backlinks in here. That's going to help get you ranked over there on the Asheville site. It's already got you ranked on Rutherford, so I mean I don't know how much competition you have there in Rutherford. But I mean, you know how Asheville is. Asheville's a little bit bigger than Rutherford. But let's go over here and look at Mike's. This is Mike's website, Mike's Heating and Cooling. Um, One thing that I did notice and I like, you did actually, when I go in here and click your picture and hit Save As, you put Rutherford Heating and Air. That's good. It's been done North Carolina. That's all what we call keywords, and that's what Google likes to see is keywords. Now, on this first page right here, on your home page, Google typically likes to see around 2,000 words on the front page. You don't have quite that. Let's see how many you got. You got 1,100 words on your front page, on your home page. So we'll have to up that. Let's go over here and check out Mike's. Mike, he did the same thing as well as far as saving his pictures. He put AC Repair, Asheville, North Carolina, Mike's Heating and Cooling. So, you know, we can go in behind your pictures and start putting some Asheville stuff in there. That's how you're going to get that keyword for Asheville. It's going to help get you ranked on that Asheville site. Mike has 1,400 words, so he has a couple more words than you do on his homepage. But again, back to the arrows. Remember, this is your UR score. This UR score shows your strength. It shows the strength of your URL on Google. So it's a 2. It's ranked. It's rated out of 100. It's on a 100 scale. We can get this up, and we can get this up and get you ranked on the Asheville site. You're going to keep the Rutherford spot. I mean, I see no problems with you keeping that number one spot in Rutherford. Now let's go over here and check out Mike's. Oh, I guess hold on just a second. See, Mike scores a little bit higher than yours. Now, Mike only has 291 backlinks, and you had 218. So, with that being said, your DR score should be a lot higher. So that's telling me that the quality of his backlinks is better than yours. So here's expertise.com. Super page is North Carolina, bizhathaway.com. The quality of his backlinks are better than yours, which is no problem because I can come in here and copy his backlinks. Plus, I can link you up with the backlinks that I already have, and we're gonna get you outranked as far as Mike's is concerned. So that's gonna be no problem either. So the 3 free things that I have for you today is gonna be the content, which we've already talked about. The content on your site. You need at least 2,000 words on this front page, which would be no problem for me. Or if you're already working with somebody, I would have them go in there and do some work on it. We talked about your backlinks and we talked about your citations. Now, citations are pretty easy. There's thousands of places on the web where you can get citations, but a citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile. They're directories like Yelp, Angie, Expertise, BBB, just places like that. So that's all I got for you. If you want to work with me, that's fine. If you're already working with somebody, I would have them do this for you, for your company, to get it up and going, to get you ranked better, and to take over that Asheville spot. If you want to do a discovery call with me, here's my number. It's my name, and I work for Mr. Edge Digital Marketing. All right, thanks.